light, chrome gleaming bright, under Evans' head sky. Bikes in a line, laughter in the air, friends old and new, showing that we care. Here's to Evans' Head, our hearts say thanks to you. RSL doors open wide, your kindness shining through. On behalf of Gordon Osborne and the town we love, we ride together, brotherhood on wings above. From the RSL start, through Woodburn's morning light, a photo to remember, memories taking flight. To the cemetery we rode, respecting every glance.
EasyRiders forever.
Then a park barbecue, celebration and a dance. Here's to Evans' Head, our hearts say thanks to you. RSL doors open wide, your kindness shining.
As I was saying before, this is the 50-year anniversary of the club, and we celebrate 50 years here at the Evans Head. So the other big celebration that we're going to do tonight is someone's birthday is on this weekend. Hip hip! Hip hip!
Brotherhood on wings above, 36 years apart, a friendship refound. Raindrops fell softly, but the sun stayed around. Over 300 bikes, voices joined as one, celebrating 50 years. The ride's only begun. Here's to Evans' Head, our hearts say thanks to you. RSL doors open wide, your kindness shining through. On behalf of Gordon Osborne and the town we love, we ride together, brotherhood on wings above. So ride easy, riders, through every open street. Evans' Head forever, where memories and engines meet.